In this video, we're going to be covering the Bykski Ice Dragon pump and res combo. The advantage with having a pump and res combo is it's a much easier way to fill and maintain your system's loop. The way that this is achieved is that the reservoir is directly attached to the top of the pump, which is the feed. This is a DDC pump that has come included with this kit. The pump res combo comes with the modex for power and PWM for speed control. Fill ports are one of these at the top, and the exit port is this one here. Included in the packaging are two brackets that clip around the reservoir and make use of fine teeth to grip one another in order to stay in place. There are also various screws and two mounting brackets that come included. We also have a piece of foam. This absorbs vibration from the DDC pump. Lastly is a plug fitting for the second fill port on the reservoir top. Now that we have our pump and res combo, we'll need to make a drain for the system as well. We will be making use of this Bykski 3-way splitter with the drain port. Here is the drain port we'll be using. And to connect all these parts together, we will require a male-to-male adapter. This happens to be a rotating adapter. So go ahead and take the 3-way splitter and connect it to the male-to-male adapter. Finger tight is more than sufficient. And then you're going to want to take the drain port and connect it to the other side of the male-to-male adapter. Again, finger tight is more than sufficient in this aspect. And then also just make sure that you close the drain port before you install to avoid any sort of leaks.